Welcome to my world. Cool, so this is a quick video about some misconceptions with trading, because I hear a lot online of people going, oh yeah, you shouldn't do FX trading or foreign exchange or blah, 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 blah. And a lot of people basically are mixing the two. They seem to think that day trading and forex trading is really risky. And the thing is, trading is just like driving. So trading is a skill, so just like driving a car. And when you can drive a car, or when you know how to drive, you can drive a lorry, you can drive a go-kart. But yeah, so driving is the actual skill. And so a lot of people seem to think that foreign exchange or FX trading is like the dodgiest there is. It isn't. Just like driving, you have different types of driving. So you have racing driving, you have drifting, like rally driving. I guess day trading is very similar to racing. So load of people get lured on the internet by these, trade, make tens of thousands of pounds in 2 minutes or whatever rubbish headlines they come up with. But day trading is where you're spending hours at the screen, placing God knows how many trades per day. And that's just like watching Lewis Hamilton in the Grand Prix and going, that's how you trade. And then they try and emulate. And the thing is, trading, I've said this over and over again, trading is way more than just placing trades or finding the entry point, which so many people are obsessed with. Basically, they're obsessed with sex. I.e. the setup, entry, and the exit. Whereas the setup and the entry is really the most insignificant part of trading. That's just like focusing on the accelerator of your car, thinking, oh yeah, to go fast, you just have to put your foot down. But there's so many other things like the steering wheel, the clutch, the pedal, the your indicators to see how fast you're going, the changing gear, knowing the rules of the race. The accelerator itself is just it's just a small part of an overall bigger picture, so to speak. When you know how to trade, you can trade other markets. You can trade the FX markets, the stock market, the bond market, other derivatives, etc. So trading itself is a life skill. It really is. Whether you choose to day trade these different markets or swing trade or be more conservative is completely up to you. Now, I'm a one-track pony at the moment. One-track pony? One-track record. What is the saying, Matty? Don't know. Fair enough. I'm a one-track pony at the moment. I don't day trade, don't do binary options. They're just really silly things. I think one of the videos, someone said, I think it was actually on Facebook, someone said, how can you call yourself a trader, Siam, if you're only spending 5 minutes a day trading? And this person basically thinks that you can only be a trader if you're spending hours a day trading. And I mean, the analogy which I proposed to him is that's like calling a sniper a false, fake sniper just because you're only pulling the trigger once every now and again. And the thing is, if you are a sniper and you have a target to go up to, you spend probably a couple of weeks crawling up to the target. You'll spend a couple of weeks with your spotter, hiding in a bush, observing your target. And then literally when the push comes to shove and you slowly squeeze that trigger and get that round off into your target, you then spend, then you slowly crawl away. And of the whole, 2-4 week period of, hunting your target and then neutralizing it, pulling that trigger is such a tiny part of that overall mission. And that's exactly the same with, proper trading. I may press, trade, I may press those few buttons to place a trade, and it may take less than 5 minutes a day, but I'm still a trader. I'm still a full-time trader. Just because I don't, lock myself away at the screens every day doesn't mean I'm not a trader. Look at that. She is molting like crazy. Let it snow, Coco. Anyway, hope that helps. Hope that makes some sort of sense. And yeah, just know that day trading, binary options, just spending any more than 5 minutes a day staring at screens, it really is not the way forward. So hope that helps, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Ow. See ya.